Ja. Was auch. Was auch. U šumama s ocem braćom 9 godina posle rata svjetskog drugog. Марьяна Бакич.
Ебать его нахуй, ебать! На нахуй, да ебать! Нихуя, на жопа сейчас, ебать!
Ёб твою мать!
На ровном месте, блядь.
Я поставила фильм скачиваться и не успела его скачать, у меня было 91% скачивания, прикинь. Не успела докачать фильм, так обломалась. А я на предыдущем включил, он же будет продолжать качать, да, Рик? Ты что, не видела? Ты не видела?
Нет, как я могу увидеть? No! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
It's alright, mate.
What's the name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here. I'm on the phone to the police.
Fucking hell, how did you manage to get in here?
It's just gone in.
You're on the phone to the police?
Yes, I'm on the phone to the police. They need
You've been drink driving?
Sorry?
You've been drinking driving?
No, I haven't.
So I can smell alcohol on you.
I can smell alcohol on me.
You're bloody pissed. You can't. How did you get in there?
What road
Oh, but you're driving there, didn't you?
Can you ask me what road I'm on?
Yeah, it's a concrete road,
No.
a thin, narrow back lane.
Do you know the name of the road? sir?
Yes, push it right in the ditch. Road it's called. No, it's called Pearson's Green Road.
Pearson's Green Road.
Paddock Wood, Kent.
I'm in Paddock.
Have you been under the influence of alcohol or drugs?
I haven't got any alcohol or drugs on me, sir.
What about in your system?
No, they're not.
Where the fuck did you get in there, sir?
It's just my vehicle involved. And I'm still in the vehicle.
Are you okay though?
Yeah, I am, but my other half is banged her head. She's not very...
Oh, you got a lady in there with you?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Lass sie mal draußen, lass sie mal spulen, dann schau, wie ich mir so denke.
So aussehen.
Da ist aussehen.
Oh, für das ist schon ein bisschen mehr drin.
Yeah, I mean, you're just trying to make the best moves you possibly can make with your car, and keep the biggest thing is just trying to keep your momentum up. So wherever you can go, keep up your momentum and try to keep some play in there in your car. That's what you're doing. I think for us, we're a good restart there.
What?
On the front row, and of course, like I said,
What
we're
in
bottoming after
the
last.
world?
عايز بس حد يفهمني الراجل ده سايق ازاي يا جدعان. احنا اتفضل يا استاذ شمس. بص كده حضرتك، والنبي ده شايف يمشي ازاي. ده شايف يمشي ازاي.
جاي ايه تعال بياض
It's alright. Hush.